So, hello everybody who is watching us. My name is Farouk, and today me and my colleagues Damir and Shazad will be presenting our project about implementing e-commerce techniques on the existing business in order to improve its success levels and gain a new customer base. Our business is called Modry Slon. It's a hair salon, an establishment that offers professional hairstyling for men and women. Also, he offers hairstyling and texturing, coloring, highlights, head and scalp treatment, and formal styling. The owner of our business is Chen Seok Park. Before opening this business, he was working in the hair salon called Tony and Guy. It's a multi-award winning hairdressing brand with more than 55 years of experience in education, superior client service, and hair care expertise. So let's start from the primary business problem. The main problem in all areas of service in nowadays is the lack of customer flow. This lack is clearly expressed in the field of hairdressing services as well. Due to emergency situations such as pandemics like COVID and blockades, businesses can lose a large number of clients among tourists. And right now, the majority of our clients are tourists who don't stay in the Czech Republic for long. And in today's world, social image does really matter, and disregard for the management or the complete absence of business on the social network platform makes it very difficult to identify it. Nevertheless, there is a primary opportunity. Despite pandemics, the Modry Slon could make up for loss among tourists by focusing on local English-speaking clients. Due to language skills, barber skills, and new social media image we will provide for him, he might become pretty popular among local population and build a strong, loyal customer database. Our product is the skills of a professional, and its rate of uh, monetization depends on how well known the owner of the skills. In our case, it's Chen. The absence of well-designed social page greatly affects flow of new customers, but we will focus on creating a professional social image content, advertising, and building the so-called Modry Slon brand. Chen had a customer base for many years. However, these loyal customers only fill up half of his daily working schedule at the maximum, and the rest was usually filled by tourists before the COVID situation. As we know, right now in Czech Republic there are almost no tourists. That's why the flow of the customers is pretty low for now. Thus, our strategy is marketing towards the expats who do not speak Czech in Prague, and we'll be focusing on building the loyal customers rather than tourists. About the shop, he's a hair salon owner. He does the hair wash, cutting, and cleaning of the salon as well. Well, which is probably another aspect he should think about, because there is a way to outsource these processes in his value chain, so he can fully focus on his most important skill, cutting hair. But probably that will be something else to think about after we resolve the problem with the customers. I believe that Tony and Guy experience is more of a proof of his skill. So he uses a lot of certificates which he passed for many years in this hair salon, and these certificates are displayed in his own shop, which also gives him some reliability about his work. He has mentioned that his usual working hours had decreased by approximately 60%. So, for example, if he had 7 hours a day of actual work, now it's only 3 hours because of the lack of tourists in the Czech Republic. Some of the strengths of our hair salon are good customer service, also personal approach to every customer, affordable prices, and good service. He is also able to execute complex requests such as hair coloring and fading. He is fluent in Czech and English, and he has a very good customer reviews uh, on Google and other websites. But there are also some of the weaknesses, such as he doesn't have a social media presence. He has only one Facebook page, which is almost dead. Also, uh, on Google and Facebook, he has very like a lot of outdated reviews, and some of them mention low quality of female cuts. Nevertheless, he's already working on these weaknesses, and in the nearest future, we are able to overcome them. Our target audience's natural habitat is Instagram and Facebook, due to the fact that they are representatives of the younger generation. So, um, our virtual community will be on Facebook and Instagram and other social media page where you can post and share video and photo content like TikTok and VK and so on. So our main tactics will be creating Facebook ads and also Instagram ads, and create some paid ads as well. So when people search for the haircut in Google and Instagram, our salon will be on the top results. Customers, after they see our barbershop ads, they will most likely choose us because we have low prices and high service quality. We'll also implement online appointment services via social media bots like Telegram bots and so on. And we also focus on building loyalty via influencers and paid influencer promotions, such as YouTube influencers, and they can make some reviews for us and so on. Another way is to create some videos in order to promote us on, for example, on TikTok, because there is like a lot of opportunities for it. We can make some funny stuff. We can also make something very interesting. For example, I saw a guy who was just talking to people on the streets and offering them a free haircut right on the street. And while he was doing that, everybody was walking past him and taking some pictures and posting it on their social media. So this is one of the ways to promote our business. And our virtual community will be mostly based on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. That's all for my part, and I guess my colleagues will continue on our project.
Thank you, Farah, and hello everyone. Today I'll be discussing the unique selling proposition provided by Chan in his Modry Slon salon with the data of the total available market, as well as providing the overview of the value chain of activities and the IPO. To begin with, the unique selling proposition of the Modry Salon is that it is the Tony and Guy quality, but on budget, which implies the same level of work but for more affordable prices. That is the most outstanding feature separating us from the competition. As Farah already explained, the gap in customers created by the lockdown is about 50 to 60% of empty reservations. Since Chan operates alone, there is about 3 to 4 customers a day. So our goal is to get at least 3 more customers on average for every day. As you can see on your screen, here's the overview of the expats in Prague, divided by countries. And if you only focus on the working people from the UK and the US, that is about 6,600 people in total of the available market, which is more than enough to get 3 people in the salon for each single day. Regarding our value chain of activities, in the primary activities we have the identification of primal audience through already existing customers by making surveys and performing the market research to understand what is common between them and to find out why they go to Chan. After understanding the full customer behavior of Chan's loyal clients, we'll create or update our social media pages to attract the same type of customers. Then follows the actual service of cutting hair. The result of the haircuts sometimes will be published on the social media. And finally, we would finish up by providing after-sales support, either by asking on the feedback or following up in the case of dissatisfaction. Every time, the cycle will repeat to better understand the customers and build the brand loyalty. Now I will present 2 of our marketing IPOs. The first IPO has a purpose of building the initial foundation for Chan's brand trust, with an input of article publications for expats, such as Expat CZ or Prague Morning, combined with the skills, certifications and brand story of Modry Slon, leading to a process of advertising through news publications that are intended for English-speaking expats in Prague. Finally, receiving an output of the foundation of the brand trust. Second IPO has a purpose of leveraging on the social media, with an input of the social media pages and portfolio of Chan's recent work. The process followed includes posting photos, tagging posts with the relevant keywords and metadata via social media pages, receiving feedback on some of the posts. Finally, the output will include understanding the ways of improvement based on the feedback, leading to a more satisfied customers in the future. Thank you so much for your attention, and now I'll pass the word to Shah.
Well, hello, it's Shah with you, and I'm going to talk about 2 last parts of our team project. I'm going to talk about digital marketing plan, about the ads, about landing pages, and about SEO optimization of our social networks. Well, about the ads, what kind of ads we're going to use, where we are going to place them, and for which type of customers we are going to use ad number 1 and ad number 2. And also I will show a sample of our landing page, or like it's just sample, but that's how we see our landing page should look like. Also, in the last part I will talk about our high level system diagram and what kind of devices we are going to use, and where we are going to store our data, and why we are going to store data in particular cloud servers. Okay, let's start with the Facebook ads. We are going to use Facebook ads like that ad type. So we have 2 pictures, and so you just need to click on that which is better in your mind, like hot or not type ads. And also influencer with Janik from Honest Guide. So he has a YouTube channel, and we can negotiate a good price to get a review from him. That's it. And about the tools, it's better if we talk about here. Yeah, about the posts first. Well, we have different kinds of posts in Instagram, on Instagram and Facebook. We mainly divide them into posts to gain reputation, and like just a news post and surveys, and entertainment posts, and plus educational posts. It's just it's made to engage people into our page, so they will become active and try to read or feed every day. here you can see the full list of what kind of posts we're going to use. And also promotions. We are offering monthly promotions. They're going to be different, but we, as the final types and numbers of the promotions will be announced by Chan on our Instagram channel, because we don't have power to decide how much money we're going to give away to people, so and viral competitions, it's just usual viral like challenge. So so our customers need to follow us and like and comment and share our post, and we will decide randomly with a random.org who is the winner, and the winner gets some kind of benefits from us. And this really works. We have two kinds of ads. Mainly we're going to use only video ads, because we found out that content image ads are not interactive, and they don't work like already, and we want to use video ads. Something like this. It's made for December, and we're going to post it or something like this. So video ads will be as content if we will run Instagram campaign or Facebook campaign, so they will appear in the feed of the people, so they can click on it and watch our ad. And then if they click on video ad, like it's ad number 1, so they will land on our web page, because we have two kinds of ads. Like the first of them, it's for the people who are not aware of our business, and they don't know what is a Modry Slon salon, and so we will direct them to our web page, where they can find reviews, so they can find prices, and also have a second type of ad. It's going to be for people who already aware of our business. So this ad is going to lead directly into the booking system. Here's our booking system, and the people who click it on this ad number 2, they will land on the booking page already. So here's the logo, so they need to add their name, and pick a date and send it to us. Or if they had previous experience with us, so they can click on Google or Facebook, and we will automatically get their data, so they just need to pick a date and time. That's it. Okay, here's our landing page. We really wish to use mobile version of our landing page, or our website will be mainly for mobile devices, because nowadays usage of mobile phones is really increasing, and I don't think that usual customers will book their haircut appointment with a desktop, like from a computer. I think it will be easier to use mobile phone. So here's our logo. Here's a short story about that, and here comes pricing. It's just simple one scroller page, landing page. We just need to edit it. Okay, and here's the booking. So customer clicks on a book, and they will add on a date picker, and that's it. So we will return to ads. So we have two kinds of ads. The second ads, it's for the people who already know us, and they will land directly on this page, on the booking page. So they just need to pick a date, and that's it. And for the people who don't know our business, they will first land on our welcome journey, so they will get information about us, and they can check the prices and portfolio and also we need to have reviews here, but we don't load it API from Facebook, so we'll do it later. Okay. We did a big research on the keywords, what kind of keywords we are going to use and why we are going to use them. So here's a list of all keywords which probably we might take and put in the metadata tag, like in the header, or we are going to use them as hashtags in the post. So first of all, it's really important that we have a big number of monthly searches, so it should be really high, so we know that people usually use these words to find Slon. And also we need low competition, because as low competition we have, that it's a higher chances to rank higher in a like search page. Okay, and we have list of hashtags which we're going to use. We don't know how we can rank in a like in the hashtags, but we have most popular hashtags used in Instagram, like under haircuts post here. We need to test it. We need to run our keywords campaign for a week, like at least for a week. So we will have data which we can work with, and we will later decide which of them we're going to use and which of them are going to be out. Okay, we're low on budget, really low on budget. We are not ready to spend a lot of money on our ad campaign and on paid promotion, so we will take minimum, and we'll see if the outcome will be good, so we will increase ads budget. Okay, here's our old one, but we just added it. It's a landing page. Here we come. It's a high-level system diagram. Well, zooming in. Okay, so just imagine that here's a usual salon, and you have reception, you have back office, and you have hall. Okay, so in reception, where we are going to keep a cell phone and smartphone and one laptop, so the receptionist can also see incoming bookings from our booking system, and also back office, who's sitting in a back office, will have like more stuff around, like smartphone, PC, and cloud system application. And okay, just begin it with a journey. Like imagine we have customers, and we have a lot of customers. Just a moment. Okay, so imagine that we have two kinds of customers. Like first, so we will begin with the first type. So these are customers who are going to book our service directly from their web browsers. So their request will land in our booking system, and then from that booking service provider, they will send to our base, like cloud server, and then we can access it via internet. Here's the internet, and we can get access to these bookings from any device. So it can be like cell phone or any laptop, but in this case we're going to receive them in a reception laptop, and in reception cell phone, and also in the back office. So and the customers who are going to book our services directly from Instagram or Facebook, so they will directly contact to our customer. They will like directly contact to the someone who is from a barber shop, and they need to log their data in in our CRM system. So we will have everything organized, and we will collect customer data. So if they wish to return, so like they just need to pick a date and just say their name, and we will see under which customer ID they are, so we can easily skip these parts of name, date, and cell phone, and book them. It's like one-click booking. Okay. Well, as you know, we are not going to use hardware to keep our data because it's live, as different things might happen to our devices, and we can lose our data. So we prefer to keep our data secure in the cloud services, but we're not sure that we're going to use a Google Drive or Google for it, because it's really not secure. We tried to find alternative. It's like Mega, but it's not secure. It could be easily hacked, but I don't know who will need our data. But anyways, we need to keep customer data and our own data in secure place. So that's why we decided to keep copies of our data in our account in a Telegram. As you know, they give you more than 2 terabytes of free space in the cloud. So once we need backup, so we will capture everything from a cloud and update to the Telegram. It's more secure than Google. Okay, and about the bookings data, I found third-party integration to our website. It's called eClient. It's not expensive. Like for example, if we'll book their service for 2 years, we're going to pay 26,400 rubles, which is around it would be around $7 per month. So it's very cheap, and they have really good services, and a lot of places uses their script. So this is the cheapest one. Well, also Wix offers booking, but it's very expensive, and it's not manageable with like external applications. But with this one, we can manage everything, and we can capture data and automatically send one copy to our booking system backup, and one to our Telegram. It's going to be made with API, and we don't need to do like extra things to finish it. Alright. Okay, more deeply about the system. So here's our router. It's main internet connector. Some devices are going to be connected via Wi-Fi. Some of them are going to be connected with LAN. It's LNA. It's LAN cable. Well, we need a switch in the background. Like we need switch which is going to be connected to the router, and from this switch back office devices are going to be connected to the network. Why we need this? Because switch is extra layer of security. Well, how can I explain it? We can filter MAC addresses and incoming connections and outgoing connection, and also close ports and manage ports. It's going to be very easy, so we will know that no one from external will land into our network and do something with our data. So that's why we need the extra layer of security, and we are going to use switch. Okay, in the reception, so as receptionist devices are going to be used only to view web data, like they will just open a browser and check the bookings and message emails, so they can still connect with the Wi-Fi, because it's not high risk data is going around with the reception. Okay. Customer relationship management is for now is only Chan. Chan is business owner and he's going to deal with it. I believe that he can manage it very easily because the systems is very easy to handle. So here's a cloud server. It's like external cloud server. Probably we will take Telegram to keep our customers' data because I found a logs management bot which helps to store your logs inside their API. So we're not decided yet on which service we're going to use, but for now we are focusing on Telegram because it's free. It's more secure than Google, believe me. Okay, cloud service will capture customer data. It's like name, cell phone. We are not sure that we need to collect birth date, but maybe we will because it's kind of nice when our customers has a birthday and he will receive like email or SMS from us that hey, have a birthday, Jack. We will give you a discount for 50% because you have birthday today. Just show us this message like with some sort of code, and yeah, come in. I think it will be really nice and it's really easy to implement. Okay. All right, and in hall we are going to have TV which is connected to network by Wi-Fi, and but we're not going to run just random shows. We're going to run fashion show, but in perfect way we are going to sell our TV time. It's like we are planning to make extra profit by promoting beauty services or beauty products on our TV. So the companies who are which are interested to promote their products in our barbershop, they can make contract with us and we will show their promotion for our waiting customers. But to reach this we need to work on our social presence. So the more people will trust us, the more people will follow us, the more people will be aware of us, we will be able to gain really profitable contracts from interested companies. Okay, let's talk about how does the booking works. Okay, here's an example. Customers from their own networks accesses to the website. It's like over a web page or directly on a booking page. So they enter their data. I think a part of the data are going to be saved on the cloud, like on the booking system itself. It's like cookies because they use cookies, and probably if they will not clear their cookies, in the next time when they land on the web page, they will have some data. It's like already entered. Well, it's not going to be kept in a server, but it's going to be kept on their device. So their browser will know that what kind of data they want to enter and automatically lets them offers them options. Okay, here's a booking request. They fill in data, their names, surnames, and they pick date and time, their phone number, or even they can log in with Google or with Facebook, which is the easiest way to book our services. And then after they clicked on the send button, booking form sends this data to over back interface of the booking service, and and people from a reception or from a back office will be able to access to the back page of booking server, and they will receive customer data and what kind of the service do they want and when they want. And also I remind you that everything will be captured in the cloud and saved properly, so if we'll lose some of our devices, it will be easy to just log in, and that's it. So that's all for me. Thank you for your attention.